Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are in Brookline, Massachusetts at this freshly renovated kitchen right behind me. I can't wait to show you what we did. My name is Cara and we are a kitchen renovation company located in Boston, Massachusetts. Follow me this way. So a little background story about this space. It was actually two different rooms. So it was the kitchen and then the bar area. It kind of made it a little bit dark. It was still very practical and functional, but what we decided to do was to totally open up the space and have this beautiful flow throughout the kitchen. So we loved working with this client. She is very, very well known in the community and loves to entertain. So what was very important to her was to have a seating area and her bar. So that's where we started off with the design. This area right here really opened up the space. We created lots of light that came in, and we added this very detailed soffit as an accent that you can see throughout the kitchen as well. Color was also very important to our client. She was very selective with the finishes and materials. So in this kitchen, we actually paired our white concrete laminate door with our laminate natural wood oak finish. And handleless was a must for her. She's very stylish. So our kitchen here actually has the handleless channel, and we even played with some colors with those elements as well. Let me show you. So the client really viewed the process and this kitchen as a work of art. So we did a lot of changes to come to this masterpiece here. So here we can see the glass is paired with the laminate concrete finish and the natural oak wood. This channel here is actually in a black color, whereas the channel that throughout the kitchen we did in a stainless steel color. All the drawers come soft close. And then the floor to counter doors are pushed to open, as well as the glass doors pushed to open. A really fun detail are the black reveals, we call them, or the black panels that we have in between some of the cabinets, just to add that extra accent. So here you have the carbon colored, very thin panel. And we'll see this again in the pantry that I'll show you. The glass cabinets for our uppers were really cool because they reflect the light and they are very custom. The interior light has up and down light as well as vertical lighting that you see here on the sides. So when you actually turn the lights off, let me do that for you, you don't see what's inside the cabinet. And when you turn the lights on, it's nice that it just nicely highlights what's inside. So designing around the supported beams were a little tricky, but we found the great solution. We actually made the cabinet below this beam shorter in depth, so we can still utilize storage here in this space. So let's talk about the appliances. She also purchased appliances through our company, which we love since it works seamlessly into our cabinets. We love to also panel our dishwasher like you see right here. The channel runs totally across the top. Along with the under-counter microwave, the channel still continues through the top. And as you can see, we actually mounted the microwave flush with the cabinets. A very small but fine detail. As I mentioned earlier, the client's play on color is very unique. As you can see here, we went from a natural wood, laminate concrete. We added that carbon reveal. And again, our natural wood. Totally handleless, pantry, push to open. Moving along to the other side, this is our tall appliance wall. We have the oven here next to the 36-inch stainless steel refrigerator. The oven and fridge are both flush with our cabinets so they don't pop out. We love designing in this way. And again, you can see that small detail that the client introduced is the reveals that she added, the carbon reveals mixed with the laminate wood, and our push to open handleless cabinets. And on to the cooking side. Over here the channel continues all the way through. Our large format drawers with interior cutlery and soft close drawers. So this is a fun fact. The original design actually had a chimney that ran all the way through here. And it was a huge deal to remove this chimney. We were not sure if it could be done. So only later were we able to realize it can be done, and we ordered this extra cabinet in its place, just for extra storage. So in this kitchen, the client loves how it turned out, especially how the cooking kitchen area nicely flows into her bar area when she's entertaining, and there is efficient storage for her. Even underneath the bar area, there is a push-to-open door for additional storage, and she loves all the extra storage space that she gained in her new design. That's it for this kitchen. It's nice to see you all. Please like and subscribe as always to continue watching our projects in the Boston area.